Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, you will learn how to fix SteamVR error code 108 HMD not found.
Fix 1. Restart SteamVR and PC. Step 1. Close Steam and SteamVR completely. Step 2. Restart your PC. Step 3. Open Steam, then launch SteamVR. Fix 2. Check headset and cable connections. Step 1. Unplug headset USB and DisplayPort/HDMI. Step 2. Plug them back in firmly. Step 3. Try a different USB port, preferably USB 3.0. Fix 3. Power cycle the VR headset. Step 1. Turn off the headset. Step 2. Unplug all cables from the PC. Step 3. Wait 30 seconds and reconnect everything. Fix 4. Update SteamVR and USB drivers. Step 1. Open Steam, Library, Tools, SteamVR. Step 2. Update SteamVR if available. Step 3. Update USB drivers from Device Manager. Fix 5. Disable USB power saving. Step 1. Open Device Manager. Step 2. Expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Step 3. Right-click USB Root Hub Power Management. Uncheck Power Saving. Fix 6. Run Steam as administrator. Step 1. Close Steam. Step 2. Right-click Steam shortcut. Step 3. Select Run as administrator.